Hey guys, welcome to another day at the office. Gary, engine calibrator and drag race driver for the Blue Demon. Now the Blue Demon is the record setter GTR I drove this year that went 9 seconds on stock block, stock head and stock frame turbos. You can accomplish this by the correct combination of parts, the correct tuning and the proper driving. The specific vehicle, the Blue Demon, is going under construction right now to get it ready for the next race. I brought you guys a badass part we're gonna be using on that specific build, and I think it's just like badass. I think it's fucking badass. So this is the AMS carbon fiber intake manifold. It's a work of art, I like it. Let me show you guys the bottom of it. I think it's sexy. So this is the manifold we're gonna be using. Let's talk about research and development, and then we'll jump into the features that I like of the manifold. So research and development. Now, it went through over 144,000 cycles of 0 PSI to 50 PSI. It was pressure tested above 150 PSI, and everything was done to it, like all the research and development for the correct flow through the ports right into the heads. It's important because the GTR has one plenum for each bank. So there was a lot done to it to get the correct amount of air equally into the cylinders. Let's talk about the features that I like of it. So one of the cool things I like of it is that I'm able to connect a map sensor to each bank. It's great when you're tuning the car in the dyno and you want to make sure you have the equal amount of boost. And it's definitely necessary when you're at the track and you want to data log a pass and you want to get information. If something goes wrong, you're able to go back to it and understand what's happening on each bank. So I think that's cool. It has extra vacuum for all your connections, extra vacuum ports, which is great. I'm able to connect the largest throttle bodies on the market to it. Obviously it's lighter. I think it's like 30% lighter. And one of the most important things beside the flow of air that I look into a manifold is fuel. So if you want to be a good boy, I'll connect 6 injectors. If you want to turn into a man, I'll use 12. And if you want kill mode, we'll use 18. By now, you know already how many injectors we're going to be using, correct? You're right. Now, it's not the only manifold that we use on our cars. The other record setter GTR, Godzilla, that went 8 seconds, he's on the Boost Logic manifold, and I like that one a lot. Behind me, the turbos. Now these bad boys, they're gonna take us on one hell of a ride once we take this project to the track. Now I'll bring you guys along with other stuff we have for the car, like other parts and why we're using them. A lot of the stuff on this specific project, they're all custom, so I'm really excited about that. Well, this is the manifold. I showed you guys, it's really cool. I think this is the only GTR in Central America that has it. And that's it, I'm done.